Hi besties, it's been a while. I posted here on this green app, not because I don't want to, but because of work. Yes, after work I get so exhausted. So today I was craving yam with sauce, and of course I have to satisfy my cravings. So I peeled my yam, grinded my pepper, and yes, my yam is ready. Take a look at this yam. I used roasted fish to make the sauce, and yeah, everything was already set, waiting for me to display, to show the world my talent. OMG. Hey, forget, honestly, culinary skill they cry for this side. In case you have an upcoming event, search no further, just hit me up. I'm gonna deliver, I'm going to deliver. Hey, Hilda Bassi, the second. Oh my god. Okay, this is what I'm saying. Like, this is what I meant when I said culinary, like skills. Skills they cry. See my Marita now. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed my cooking vlog. See you guys in my next video.